everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal, and we are going to get a protective style today. Yes, another protective style. I'm trying to grow my hair out, as y'all know, and the only way that I can do it is by wearing protective styles. So today I am headed to the salon because I did have a custom closure wig made for me. I know you have never seen like wig content on this channel, but I had a custom wig made, and I'm just gonna have her go ahead and sew it down for me. It's not gonna be a wig that I can take off and on. I am going to be going to her for regular maintenance, just for my washes and everything. But I wanted to do something like this to where it was custom made for me. It was made to fit my head directly because I had never worn a wig before. I'm not really familiar on, how wig stuff work, but we're gonna have to figure it out. So that's what I'm on the way to do. I'm gonna go ahead and bring y'all along with me. I've already washed my hair and dried it just so the process can go a little bit quicker. I'm gonna bring y'all along the process with me, show you all some content, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. This was my first time getting to see my unit, guys, and I was already excited about how it was going to look. It just looks really good. It was constructed well. It is a breathable cap, so I will be able to go in and actually scratch my head, because when it comes to getting sew-ins and closures, your girl needs to be able to have access to her scalp. So this is the first time that Erica actually put the unit on me, and this is me getting to see it and wear it for the very first time, and it felt really good on my head. It was comfortable, it fit just right, and she did an amazing job. I did opt to have my unit sewed down so that I could have a more secure fit, and for the simple fact that I just don't know how to wear wigs like that yet. So I did have her sew it down. This is something that she does all the time, and so this for me was just the best way to wear this actual unit so that I could wear it as an actual sew-in. It'll be easier for me to maintain too. I'll probably go to see her every 2 to 3 weeks to have the unit itself washed, my braids washed, and then I'll probably redo my actual braid down once a month. I have literally been seeing every stylist using this particular curling iron, so I had to go and pick me one up off of Amazon. I'll be sure to link it below, but this is a T3 curling iron, and I do believe that this is the 1.5 inch barrel. The curls were so pretty. They had a loose feel to them, and the shine, she didn't use any type of hairspray or anything like that, and they just feel perfectly throughout the day and night. So I did pick this up. Definitely worth it. I think that mine comes this week, so this is what I'll be using to style my hair, along with some satin flexi rods to sleep in at night. I'll also link those. Baby, you couldn't tell me anything. I am feeling myself so much with this unit. I love it so much. For my first unit, I am very happy with how it was made, how it turned out. I used old bundles that I'd had from previous sew-ins. They were all the same type of hair, which was a raw Cambodian. And Erica did an amazing job just creating this breathable wig for me and making this experience everything. As you can see, I was very happy and it was so cute. I've been getting compliments on my hair, and this was just such a good starter unit for me. Make sure that you like this video. I appreciate you all coming along with me on my salon visit. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.